Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace headlight bulb on Dodge Durango, updated. Remove the power connector from the headlight, rotate the bulb housing counterclockwise, and pull the old bulb straight out. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with bare hands. Use gloves or a clean cloth. Seat the bulb properly, rotate to lock, reconnect the power, and test the headlight beam to confirm proper operation. Start by opening the hood and inspecting the headlight back cover for clips or screws. Carefully remove covers and keep track of hardware in a small container. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the release tab while pulling straight back. Turn the bulb housing or socket as required, then pull the bulb out smoothly. Handle parts gently to avoid breaking tabs or scratching the assembly, and set the old bulb aside for proper disposal. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs well with practical DIY mindset and small savings from doing your own repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoy useful, simple guidance, consider picking it up. Now let's get back to the video. With the new bulb ready, avoid touching the glass surface to prevent oils from shortening bulb life. Align the bulb tabs with the housing slots, push the bulb straight in, and rotate or lock it into place. Reattach any covers or clips you removed, then reconnect the electrical plug until it clicks. Turn on the headlights to verify operation and check beam alignment quickly, adjusting if necessary so you have a safe, clear road view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.